I am Prashant Garg, Assistant Professor in Electrical Department, SIIT Group Bhopal. Today I am discussing about basic principle of transformer. In transformer, basically having two winding, but questions arise here, which is primary winding and which is secondary winding. A winding which is connected to the supply is known as primary winding, and winding which is connected to the load, it is known as secondary winding. In transformer, two winding, primary and secondary winding. Primary winding is N1 is primary winding and N2 is secondary winding. Here E1 it is self-induced EMF in primary side and E2 secondary induced EMF. When the supply is connected to the primary winding, a constant magnitude of flux is set up in the transformer pole, which links to the secondary winding. In transformer, there is no electrical connection between primary and secondary winding, but they are magnetically coupled. Power is transferred from primary side to the secondary side by transformer action, which is known as Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Flux links to the pole and links to the secondary winding. Rate of change of links supply is alternating. This is why a flux is set up in a transformer. It is also known as alternating and links to the secondary winding. And this is a power transfer to the primary to secondary side by Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Here N1 and N2 is shown where N2 is greater than N1. It is known as step up transformer. When N2 is less than N1, it is known as step down transformer. So the transformer basically used to transfer a power from primary to secondary side. Thank you.